This past week, my friend was telling me about two encounters she had at the park. She was there enjoying a really beautiful day when she noticed two people feeding geese bread. She walked over and politely and respectfully asked if they knew that the bread was harmful to the geese, that it swells in their stomach and then it makes it difficult for them to fly. They were very grateful for her making them aware of the unintended impact of their actions. And they said that no longer would they be feeding the geese bread, as their intention was simply to care for the geese. Later that afternoon, she saw another person feeding geese bread and had a repeat conversation. This one, however, was not so well received. The person made excuses, justified their actions, said that they were feeding the right kind of bread and that she should really just go and mind her own business. The distinction between impact and intentions holds true for us in our homes and in our work relationships as well, not just feeding geese. If our intention is well-meaning, but our impact is negative, the onus is on us to change our behavior. Recently, I sent a short email that was interpreted as curt. I'd intended to be brief, but the impact was very different. It reminded me that our intent is not the measuring stick of success in our communication. And when we realize the impact of our behavior or our words, that it's been hurtful, regardless of our intent, we need to change. So focus on impact, not intent.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.